Good morning, my friends. Welcome to English with Sanzi. Let me ask you one simple question. Do you want to speak English confidently, but you feel shy or afraid? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. Today, I will share a simple morning routine that can help you improve your English every day. Morning time is very powerful. Your mind is fresh, your energy is high. When you practice English in the morning, you learn faster and you remember more. English is not difficult. You only need daily practice. Now, let's start with the routine. First step is listening. After you wake up, listen to English for 5 to 10 minutes. You can listen to an English podcast, a daily conversation video, or a short English story. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just listen and enjoy. Say this sentence with me. I learn English every morning. Now, the second step is speaking. Stand in front of the mirror. Look at yourself and speak English. Start with simple sentences. Good morning. Today is a great day. I am improving my English. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. This practice removes fear and builds confidence. The third step is reading aloud. Take 5 English sentences or a short paragraph. Read them loudly, not silently. Reading aloud improves your pronunciation, your fluency, and your confidence. Remember this line, read loud, speak proud. Now the fourth step is vocabulary. Every morning, learn 5 new English words. Write them in a notebook. Make your own sentences. For example, practice. I practice English every day. Confidence. English gives me confidence. Small steps create big results. Now listen carefully. Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes mean you are learning. Say this sentence with confidence. I can speak English confidently. If you follow this morning routine daily, your English will improve day by day. Start today. Start now. Thank you for watching. This is English with Sanzi. Like, share, and subscribe for daily English motivation. See you in the next video.